If you're facing an issue where your dishwasher not draining Fisher Paykel, you're probably feeling frustrated, but don't worry. There are a few things you can try before calling a technician to help you solve this problem. First, start by checking the drain filter. Over time, food particles and debris can accumulate in the filter, which can prevent the water from draining properly. To access the filter, open the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Then, locate the filter, which is usually found at the bottom of the dishwasher. If you see any debris, clean it out carefully and make sure the filter is free from blockages. Once cleaned, close the dishwasher and run a cycle to check if the water drains properly. Another common cause of a dishwasher not draining Fisher Paykel is a clogged or kinked drain hose. The drain hose connects the dishwasher to the home's plumbing, and if it's clogged or obstructed, it can prevent water from draining. Carefully inspect the hose for any visible blockages or twists. If you notice any, disconnect the hose and clean it thoroughly. Make sure the hose is not bent, as a kink can also restrict water flow. Once you've cleared the hose, reattach it and run the dishwasher again to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, it may be an issue with the dishwasher's drain pump. The pump is responsible for pushing water out of the dishwasher and into the drain hose. If the pump becomes faulty or blocked, it won't be able to drain the water properly. To check this, you may need to remove the bottom panel of the dishwasher to access the pump. If the pump is obstructed by debris, carefully clean it out. However, if the pump seems damaged or is making unusual sounds, it may need to be replaced. Another possible reason your dishwasher not draining Fisher Paykel could be a faulty check valve. This valve is designed to prevent water from flowing back into the dishwasher after it has drained. If the check valve is stuck or malfunctioning, it can cause drainage issues. To check the valve, you may need to access the drain system and inspect it for any visible damage or blockages. If the valve is defective, replacing it will likely solve the drainage problem. Finally, if none of these solutions work, the issue might be related to the dishwasher's control board. A malfunctioning control board can prevent the pump from operating correctly, leading to drainage issues. If you suspect this is the problem, it may be time to call a professional to inspect and replace the control board. In conclusion, if your dishwasher not draining Fisher Paykel, it's usually related to one of these common causes: a clogged filter, a blocked or kinked drain hose, a faulty pump, or a malfunctioning check valve. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve the problem yourself.